Alright boys, what is good? So I'm back with another live trade. Well, potentially this trade is kind of running off now. It's given a very good reaction to a point where I'm not sure if this is going to be valid for an entry. Like, I might want to just avoid this based on how big the entry could be. But we do have a lot of space to fill in. Also, are quite overextended. A little bit of a weird trade, but we are on NAS100 here. Generally it's seen as a good investment for a reason. Usually goes up. But let's see kind of how this is going to end up closing. I'm going to send this out to the group. I'll break this down properly in a moment, but it's just rejecting a lot right now. It's kind of very high up, but this is a new 30-minute candle, so I'll wait for some kind of bottom wick. If that doesn't get created, then too bad. This is a massive opening gap, by the way. I don't really know what happened here. Apologies if I sound ill and tired. I'm ill, and I didn't get up that long ago, so that'll be that one. I'm not sure if this is going to make a bottom wick. This generally could just run off without us, and I'm okay with that if it does happen. I'd rather it than just entering late because I'm scared of missing out, you feel me? Okay, never mind. We've created some kind of bottom wick. Will it be major or just, is that it? Okay, I'm going to enter here as we start rejecting. Just because, I mean, this is a much better entry than what would be up here. And we started to see these kind of rejections. So that's definitely good enough for a bottom wick on the 30-minute if we are going to go up now. And I am completely fine with that. Now as for TPs, we do just have like a lot of gaps to correct to the left here. Like chances are we're not just going to leave this massive area unfilled. But yeah, the other thought is that we're also very overextended from this move. So, God, I don't want to go on the 4 hour. And the 30-minute, where are we looking? We're overall bearish, and we've just started going bullish recently. I don't care at all about the overall trend. I'm just trying to see whether it's more likely to just fill in this gap or kind of correct downwards, but it should definitely be enough for at least a 1 to 3. Hopefully a 1 to 4 should be doable as well. Would be nice to see this candle flip as well. Of course, this has been sent to the VIPs. I sent it before. It said kind of what I was waiting for and my entry. I'm doing this every single week. We've got a coaching call in 30 minutes actually. So if that does interest you, as well as having morning forecasts, seeing all my backtest results, as well as stats on previous months of the year, and I mean a bunch more. But yeah, it's been really cool in there so far. Everyone's been learning, and the LSD community is getting back to popping again. But yeah, hopefully this trade can see some decent rejections sometime soon. This is kind of exactly what I expected to see. Bottom wick come down on the next 30-minute candle, followed by, I mean, just this is a normal candle. Generally it'll do this. Maybe it'll flip, maybe it'll close bearish, who knows. But this is nothing out the ordinary, and hopefully this will start moving nicely. It's just so nice trading on futures, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, you saw my entry, literally getting the entry exactly where you enter is so nice, I'm not gonna lie. Forex is still great for the 30-minute. I mean, it's still great for the 5-minute, but for the 30-minute, spreads don't, like, they're not as noticeable. But for the 5-minute, having futures is, oh, it's so nice, bro. But anyway, I'm gonna go grab some breakfast or something. I've got a coaching call in 20 minutes, so I'll let you watch this run until then. But yeah, I'll see you in a moment. Looks like these candles are slowly potentially drifting to stop loss. We don't know yet, still getting some decent rejections from this overall area, but it is moving very slowly, and I've got a coaching call in 5 minutes, so I'm going to end the recording and see you once this has hopefully moved a bit more. or maybe hit stop loss. So yeah, I guess I'll see you in a second. All right, so we've moved a little bit. You can see we had this really nice candle right here that pushed us up quite a lot, but we've since started just consolidating a bit again. The trade is looking like it's going to be really slow, so I'm not going to like just kind of sit here the whole time once again. But we are kind of making this, you know, higher high, lower low kind of retracement pattern, and we have broken past this overall high right here. So I do kind of expect us to most likely continue breaking highs over just suddenly coming down here and breaking this low. Like, it just doesn't really make too much sense for price to do that over just continuing a bullish trend that we've been doing for quite some time now. Like, this is kind of the pattern we're going for. So hopefully it will do that. Maybe it will take a level of liquidity down here, who knows, but this would just be a weird low for it to break at this point. Obviously it's always possible, I'm not expecting to win, but it's just a case of it's not looking too bad. You know, we've broken past the main high now, and hopefully we'll continue running swimmingly, but I'll get back to you once this has done something once again. All right, so TP has actually just been hit. If I knew that it was going to just suddenly start shooting up like this, then I would have started recording earlier. But yeah, throughout most of the trade, we kind of had this really just messy, slow price action, and now just all of a sudden we just had some massive, nice volume candles. So yeah, really nice trade overall. Obviously the setup itself is really clean, but this is, I mean, this goes to show that you should really just be holding through trades. Like, this has just retested the zone completely. If I actually move this over here, complete retest of the zone, and it still just ended up winning after all this horrible price action. Like I said, bro, the chances of it actually breaking past this low are pretty low. I did also end up targeting a 1 to 4, which I mentioned in the coaching call and stuff, but yeah, man, everyone was taking this, and yeah, I didn't really have too much more else to say. This is just really clean. Obviously, this was sent with literally just everything to the group, so if you do want to join and trade with us, then you can check the link in the description. If you don't want to, that is also fine. There's plenty of information on the YouTube. God, I need this cold to go, bro. I sound horrible. Follow the Instagram at mango.money, and subscribe, like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.